With our purpose to sustainably mobilise the Earth's resources, our commitment to net zero emissions by 2050, and our long-proven track record of safely producing and utilising hydrogen, Orica is taking its place as a first mover in the renewable hydrogen market. Supported by government funding, we are progressing plans for a renewable hydrogen hub. Located close to our Kooragang Island ammonia plant, the hub will deliver a safe, reliable and commercial-scale renewable hydrogen supply chain in the Newcastle Industrial and Port Precinct. And it will bring our vision for low-carbon ammonia manufacturing to life as we transition from grey hydrogen, made using a natural gas as feedstock, to a renewable hydrogen feedstock. Renewable hydrogen is produced via electrolysis, using recycled water and grid-connected electricity. From the hub, renewable hydrogen will be piped to Orica's Kooragang Island ammonia manufacturing facility. Orica's 100% offtake from the hydrogen hub, displacing 7.5% of the natural gas used to make hydrogen at Kooragang Island today. From this low-carbon ammonia, we can also produce low-carbon ammonium nitrate to be sold to our existing mining customers for blasting services. Additionally, with our unique ammonia storage tank and deep water port access, we can also export low-carbon ammonia to new global customers. In power, maritime, agriculture and other industrial applications, with our location, experience and safety record in producing hydrogen and the manufacture, handling and export of ammonia and ammonium nitrate, the Hunter Valley Hydrogen Hub project is Australia's fastest credible pathway to low-carbon ammonia export. It will help Australia decarbonise and secure sustainable sovereign manufacturing, while creating new jobs, energy sources and industries as the world transitions away from fossil fuels. Because the world demands and deserves a sustainable future.